Couples therapy is a type of psychotherapy that helps couples, married or otherwise, to better understand, communicate, and ultimately resolve conflicts in their relationship. By providing an open and safe space for discussion, couples can gain new insights about themselves and each other, work through complex issues, develop more effective communication skills and strategies, and as a result, enhance their closeness and overall connection. We have designed a free printable couples therapy questions template with 15 comprehensive questions so you can better understand couples during their sessions. To use our free couples therapy template, follow these steps. Firstly, download the worksheet. Access the free printable couples therapy questions template using the link in the description. You can also get this from our resource library. Next, print or store it. Once you have downloaded the template, print it out or save it to your device. It is important that you have a physical or digital copy of the sheet so that you can refer to it during sessions. Next, use the template during the initial sessions. Once you're with the couple, ask them questions provided on the template. Encourage them both to be open and honest. This will help you better understand their relationship dynamics and how they can work together to improve it. Examples of the types of questions to discuss are: how would you describe the current state of your relationship? What are the main challenges or issues you are currently facing as a couple? Lastly, follow up. Follow up with the couple after each session to track their progress. Ask them how they've been applying what you discussed in therapy and ensure they are meeting their goals. Here is a sample of our free couples therapy questions template, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our couples therapy question template, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.